drawing. Now you'll notice I'm going to switch to this tool, which is a scratch tool. You can also use toothpicks, things like forks and butter knives, just about anything that's sharp enough to scratch into the scratchboard here. And you'll notice as I start working here, I just start scratching down here. You can also use a ruler to make your scratch mark lines. It's totally up to you. I think for this one, I'm just going to freehand it. If you'd like to use a ruler to make sure the lines are really straight, that would be a great idea too. Now, the one thing you really want to make sure is that when you're working on your scratchboard, your hands have to be very dry. Those oils from our hands can actually harm the scratchboards. Now, what I like to do is I just take them and kind of rub my hands on my shirt or my pants or whatever and just kind of get those oils off your fingers. And as you're scratching, you want to lightly scratch away the black. And you don't want to press too hard because it'll scratch right through the paper. Now, another reminder I want to give you too is you don't have to do just lines or color in areas. You can actually add textures to it as well. If you notice in this area right here, I scratched a bunch of lines together. It's called hatching. Another thing I want to show you is a scratchboard of an example that isn't too well done. Now notice in some of these I scratched so hard that the color started coming off. We don't want to scratch that hard.